Hi everyone, this is Meeta, and today I'd like to introduce my latest patient scheduling tracker. It now also gives you the option to choose visit type. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is a very easy to use spreadsheet that allows you to book appointments for your different patients. Select the patient name for any time slot that you choose. We chose 8:30 a.m. on January the 3rd. Choose the name. Then choose the status. Let's say it's not confirmed yet, so we chose N. Then choose the visit type of this patient. Let's say it's going to be visit type 3. You can change the status of the appointment simply by choosing from this drop down menu. Say you want to say that she has confirmed. You could choose C and this will highlight in green. You could choose, say she has attended the appointment, and once you choose the check mark, this appointment gets grayed out, meaning it's been completed. You could also have chosen this cross sign to indicate that she has cancelled the appointment or it was a no-show. The spreadsheet also allows you to block out periods of time. You can simply choose O over here to indicate out of office, and those boxes, those time slots will be grayed out to show you that these are unavailable. Each month has its own tab. In the settings page, you can set up 30 insurance companies. Simply go in and type it in. You have also 15 visit types. Once again, you can simply type in the visit. You have 6 appointment status types. You can change the appointment status as well as the characters next to them. For example, let's say we change this to not confirmed and we change this to NC. Any changes you make in the settings tab will show up over here in the appointment scheduling tabs. For example, we had changed the N to NC. The visit type we had changed to consultation. You can choose a patient name from here. We have a patient information tab, and over here you would enter the patient name. You can choose from the insurance company drop down list. Enter the telephone number, their email address, and any special instructions and notes as you like. Also have a patient visit information tab, and over here you can choose the patient name from the drop down list. You would enter the visit date, the visit type you can choose from the drop down list, and you could enter the payment amount over here and any other special instructions and notes for that visit. I hope you found this video useful. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also reach me through my website moneyusage.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.